Hello, I'm Adam, and today I will make a quick video how to connect a UPS which has USB port to Home Assistant. Because I saw a lot of difficult videos using a Docker and going on the over the network, etc., etc. But this can be very simple. At the very beginning, I have connected the UPS to my CWWK mini PC, and in the Home Assistant virtual machine, I'm in hardware, and I pressed add a USB device, and I choose use USB vendor device ID, and I selected my UPS. It's same as the son of Zigbee host, yeah. And after that, yeah, I press OK, and yeah, that's the USB port or the specific UPS is added to the Home Assistant virtual machine. And after that, I will press start, so the Home Assistant will start. Okay, Home Assistant has started, and now we need to go to settings, add-ons, add-on shop, and probably there will be UPS. Yeah, there we've got network UPS tools. We have to install it. Okay, and now we need to go to configuration, and currently there is everything on auto. We need to write a user and a password. I think we need to write there just anything, so I will write Home Assistant, just because why not? And the password, of course, I will change it. Yeah, I don't want to blur it. And yeah, so the username and the password, and we have to turn the shutdown host because it will turn off the virtual machine, so we need to turn it off and press save. Okay, we need to start the add-on. It's good to copy the host name because it won't work if we are using it in virtual machine. Now we need to go to settings, to the devices and integrations. We search for UPS integration, and now I change the host, the local host name, and I'm writing the user and the password. Yeah, I will change it, and it got detected, and I can set it to the salon where it is, and now we can see it got configured 44 entities. Let's add a panel to it. Let me find how it got named. Okay, not a lot, but that's something. And yeah, there we go. We've got values. Okay, well, I thought that it will be much more values. The update time you can change under configure button in the integration settings. So as you can see, I've got there 10 seconds. And yeah, that's one thing. Another thing is if you click entities, you can enable or disable entity. And yeah, I enabled everything, and that's how it looks. Well, what I'm missing there is current VAT usage. That's, my gosh. It's missing obvious thing, but anyway, I've got my remaining time, and I've got the volt output. Anyway, I think the time would be very enough. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. Bye.